Commissioner Sinkevicius, as I have warned the Commission and JASPERS on many occasions, waste management in Croatia is still done in a very bad way. Bad projects are still approved and they endanger the environment and destroy local communities that host them since their operational costs are very high. In the latest case of Waste Management Center Šagulje, JASPERS even allowed the implementation of the project contrary to the already adopted and existing spatial planning documents of counties and cities in Croatia. Is JASPERS unable to read existing documents before approving projects? There are also many other problems. Questionable technology approved by JASPERS has led Croatia into a situation that design and construction work is being given to companies without any experience in design, construction and management. All the details I have elaborated in the meetings and letters. There is no progress on this issue despite written assurance given to me by the Commission. In order to properly spend taxpayers' money, but also to prevent that due to JASPERS, Croatia does not lose funds for the construction of WMCs from the OPCC program financial envelope, please take the appropriate steps. Croatia needs and deserves better projects, and it can be done, since EU standards that are good do exist, but they are not followed in Croatia. Thank you.